Here's a complete step-by-step Canva video editing tutorial for beginners. Go to canva.com, click on Start Designing. You can use Canva by logging in with your Google account, Facebook, or email. Or you can click on Continue another way, and you can use Canva with any of these. And this is what you will see when you log into Canva. So click on Video, and you can choose what kind of video you want to create. Now in this example, let's go with landscape. So I'll click on this. First, let's add our videos to Canva. On the left, click on Uploads. Then click on Upload Files. And now you can upload the videos that you want to use. So I'll select all these videos. Then I click on Open. Then you wait for your videos to be uploaded. Listen, I will share with you all the videos that I'm using in this tutorial for free. So when you finish this video, check the comments section below. You'll find the link to download these videos so that when you watch it again, you can practice and follow along step by step, and we can do it together. Now, let me show you how to add your first video. So say I want to add this video first, just click and drag it down here. I will add the rest of the videos in just a minute. Next, let me show you how to cut your video so you can remove the parts that you don't want. So say you want to cut the beginning of this video. So just move your mouse to the left. You'll see this line. You can drag it to the right like this. You can see the video is becoming shorter as I drag it. So the more you drag, the more you cut. So just drag it to where you want the video to start. Let's say I want the video to start when the person is just about to spread the chocolate. So I can move it to exactly where I want this video to start. So maybe here, I just let go. And just like that, we cut the beginning of this video. And now the video starts at the part where she starts spreading the chocolate. If you want to cut the end of the video, go to the right. You see this line? You drag it to the left. The more you drag, the more you cut. So you can move this to exactly where you want your video to end. Now, if I want the video to end just as she finishes spreading the chocolate, then I'll just drag it here. And the video will end at this exact moment. So that's one way to cut your video. Now, you can also cut your video by clicking on the scissors on top. Now, if you don't see these scissors, that means you didn't click on the video. So just make sure you click on the video and you can click on the scissors and you will see this. So here it works exactly the same. You just drag the left to where you want your video to start. And for the right, it's the same. I can choose exactly where I want the video to stop. Now you can also move your selection to the left or to the right. So you can choose exactly which part you want to cut. And once you're done, just click on Done. Now, what if you want to cut the middle part of your video? So look, if I move my mouse around, you can see there is this line, right? And if I click, it becomes this black line. And I can click around like this to move the black line. Now click on the three dots and you will see Split Page. Now if you click on Split Page, this video will be split at this black line. It will become two videos. So let me show you. I click on Split Page. You can see now we have two videos over here. So we want to cut out the part in the middle, right? So now we find the next part that we want to cut. So say I want to cut away at this point, click on the three dots and click on Split Page. And now you can see the video is split into three parts. So if we want to delete the part in the middle, we click on the three dots and click on Delete Page. So that's how to cut your video. Next, let me show you how to add text to your video. So go to Text over here and click on Add a Text Box. So I click on this. You can write anything you want. I'll just write subscribe. So there are a few things you can do. You can make it bigger. You can click on the number up here. You can see font size. If you click it, you can choose the font size you want. So say I make it 120. You can also drag the corner to make the text bigger or smaller. You can also move it anywhere you want. You can put it in the corner like this, or you can put it in the middle. You can also change the color of your text. Just click on this A with this rainbow and you can choose the color. You can make it any color you want. Now you can also change the font. So right now it's Canva Sans. You can click on this and from here you can choose all of the different fonts. So you can click around and you can see what it will look like. So there are a lot of fonts that you can try and see which one you like. So in this example, I will just go with Play Pen. So for some fonts, you can see this arrow. If you click it, you can choose exactly how thick you want your font to be. So say I click on extra bold, you can see it looks like this. You can make it thin like that or regular. So you can choose exactly how thick you want it to be. You can also add effects to your text. Here you can see there are different things you can choose like background. You can add a background to your text. You can also change the color, like I can make it purple, green, orange, pink. Then you can customize it. You can make it more round or less round like this. You can make it bigger or smaller. You can change the transparency like this. So all these effects, you can customize them. So if you click around, you can see all the different things you can customize. So click around and see which effect you like. In this example, I'll just go with outline and let me make the outline black like this. And I adjust the thickness like that to maybe around here. And below, you can curve your text. If I click on curve, we can drag this to the left and we can make it curve up or you can make it curve down. You can also animate your text and you can see that there are a lot of different animations that you can choose. And if you move your mouse over it, you can see a preview of what this animation will look like. So there are lots of them. Just go through and see which ones you like. So in this example, let's say I go with burst. So I click on this and you can also choose whether you want to animate this on enter when the text appears or on exit when the text goes away or both. So let me close this. And when I play the video, you can see we now have an animation. So you can also adjust how long you want the text to appear in your video. So for the text, it will be in this purple box. And you can go to the left. I can drag it like this. I can also drag the right like this. So it's the same as cutting a video. So if I want the text to appear for 5 seconds, I just move it until it's 5 seconds. So now this text will appear for 5 seconds at this part of the video. Now, if I want the text to appear at the beginning of my video, I can move it to the front, or if I want it to be in the middle, I can move it to the middle. And now when I play the video, you can see the text appears in the middle of the video. So that's how to add text to your video. Next, let me show you how to add music or any audio to your video. Click on Add Audio. And here you can record a voiceover, you can generate an AI voice, or you can add music to your videos. Now, you can see a lot of this music, they have a crown. If it's a crown, means it's not free. And you need to be on the Canva Pro plan to use it. Otherwise, you just look for music that doesn't have the crown. So let's go to, say, instrumental. I click on See All, and you can find all the music. Again, most of the music are not free. So if you continue scrolling down, you can find a few that are free and doesn't have the crown. So let me continue scrolling down. So here are a few more. And if you want to listen to the music, you can click on the play and you can get a preview. So I'll play it. Okay, let's say you like this song, you can click on it. And now you can see it's added to our video. So let me close this. And if I play the video, and now our video has music. So for audio, you can click on it and you can drag the left like this. You can also drag the right like this. So you can choose exactly how long you want the audio to play. So say I only want it to play for 4 seconds. I move it to 4. So now this audio will only play for 4 seconds. I can also move it to where I want. So you can choose exactly which part of your video you want to have this audio. So say I move it to around here. That means when I play the video, there won't be any audio except this part. So let me show you. Now you can also choose exactly which part of the audio you want to play. So if you click on slip, all the track will show up. So I can drag it like this to the left. I can also drag it to the right. So you can choose exactly which part of the audio you want to play in your video. And when you're done, you click on slip again. Now you can also add a fade to your music. You can choose to fade in or fade out. So that's how you add music or audio to your video. Next, let me show you how to add images or photos to your videos. So you can upload your own images or you can just use the images by Canva. So let me show you. You click on Elements and if you scroll down, you can find graphics, stickers, and photos. So let me show you photos. If I click on See All, you can see that there are a lot of different photos that Canva will provide to you. And if I go back, we can also look at stickers. You can see that there are a lot of different stickers that you can add. So let's say I click on this, it's going to add it to the video. And if you don't want it, you can always delete like that. Now let's go back to graphics. Here, you can see that there are a lot of different graphics you can also add to your video. Now, another easy way is you just do a search. So at the top, you can search for elements. So say I want to add a subscribe button. I'll search subscribe. So now I have the graphics here. I click on See All. So now I have all the subscribe buttons. I want the ones that are free. So I just look for the ones without the crown. So let's say I go with this. You can make this smaller or you can make it bigger. And you can move it to anywhere you want the image or your photo to appear in your video. So let me just put it somewhere in the middle. So for images, you can also edit how long you want it to appear in your video. You can drag the left. You can drag the right, you can move it around, and you can choose exactly when you want the image to appear in your video. You can also animate your image. So there are lots of different animations that you can choose. And if you move your mouse over it, you get a preview of what the animation will look like. Now, say I want to use this animation, I'll click it. And now when I play the video, you'll see that the image will appear with an animation. Next, let me show you how to arrange your videos. So let me click on Uploads. And now let's add the rest of the videos. So I just drag it in like this. Then I'll scroll to the right and I continue adding the rest of the videos. Now, because we have quite a few videos, you can see that I need to scroll to the left to go back to the beginning. Now, it will be much easier if we zoom out and see every video at once. Look below, click on this button. Now it looks like this. And from here, I can slide it to the left to make it smaller like this. So here, I can now see all of the videos at once. Now to arrange your videos, go to the bottom right corner, click on Grid View. And you can see all of your videos. So from here, you can arrange your videos. You can move it around like this. You can also select multiple videos and arrange it like that. And to go back, just click on the same button again. Now you can also rearrange the videos over here. I can drag it like this. And I can move the videos around like that. Next, let me show you how to add transitions to your video. Now, if you go between your videos, you will see this button that says Add Transition over here, and over here. So just go in between your videos and click on Add Transition. And on the left, you'll see these are all the different transitions you can add. Now, if you move your mouse over it, you can get a preview of what it will look like. So if you click on any of these, you can customize the duration like this. For some, you can even change the direction like this. Say I want to add this transition, I can set the duration, I can set the direction, I can even change the colors. Let's say I make this to 2 seconds long and I make the direction like this, and I can close this. And now if you look in between these two videos, you can see we have our transition added. So let me show you. Let me go back. And now if I play the video, you can see that we now have a beautiful transition. Next, let me show you how to preview your entire video. Go to the top right corner, click on Preview. You can jump around and you can see exactly what your entire video looks like. Next, let me show you how to download the video. Go to the top right corner, click on Share, click on Download, click on Download again. Then you choose where you want to save it. I'll just save it to my desktop. I click on Save. And now you can see I've downloaded this video to my computer. So let me show you.